अस्सलाम वालेकुम। एजुकेशन एमसीक्यूज की नई वीडियो में आप सब दोस्तों को वेलकम करती हूँ मैं अपने चैनल से। आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो बेसिकली है सॉल्व एफपीएससी एंड पीपीएससी पेपर्स। इससे पहले कि हम अपनी वीडियो को स्टार्ट करें, मेरी आप सब दोस्तों से रिक्वेस्ट है कि इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, इस वीडियो को लाइक करें और शेयर करें अपने तमाम दोस्तों के साथ। और बेल आइकन को लाजमी प्रेस करना है आपने, ताकि हमारी आने वाली हर नई वीडियो से आप लोग भरपूर फायदा हासिल कर सके। स्टार्ट करते हैं। An important question of general philosophy is, options are what is education, what is universe, what is curriculum, and what is curiosity. And the right answer is what is universe. Founder of intelligence test was, options are Thorndike, Guilford, Bennett, or Sternberg. And the right answer is Bennett. Values are created as a result of social human interaction according to existentialist philosophers, idealist philosophers, realist philosophers, or pragmatist philosophers. And the right answer is realist philosophers. Authentic knowledge in realism is gained through, options are empirical knowledge, revealed knowledge, social knowledge, or authoritative knowledge. And the right answer is revealed knowledge. The overriding purpose of education, according to existentialists, are, option A is educate the young in the laws, traditions, and beliefs of their culture. B option is prepare the children to live harmoniously with nature. C option is help the young become fully authentic being. Or D option is prepare the children to live harmoniously with their fellow human being. And the right answer is prepare the children to live harmoniously with their fellow human beings. Theories in which efforts have been made to identify the personal qualities of an effective leader are known as theories of, options are motivation, traits, behavior, or contingency. And the right answer is traits. Micro teaching is a technique which is, options are content oriented, skill oriented, assessment oriented, or discipline oriented. And the right answer is skill oriented. Total quality management in planning means, options are total school management, maximum productivity management, zero defect management, or total management of quality management. And the right answer is maximum productivity management. In norm-reference test, the comparison is between, options are groups, individual, areas, or interest. And the right answer is individual. Wastage of resources, time, and work is prevented in administration by the function of, options are staffing, directing, coordination, or budgeting. And the right answer is coordination. Through the educational process, an individual is stimulated to think, to appreciate, and to, options are educate, behave, act, and train. And the right answer is act. Belonging, affection, and status are best classified as, options are drives, primary needs, wants, or motives. And the right answer is primary needs. which come third in series in Maslow's classification? Options are esteem, love, safety, or psychological. The right answer is love. Love come third in series in Maslow's classification. Cognitive development deals with options are body, mind, society, and emotion. And the right answer is mind. Cognitive development deals with mind. Students are passive in options are project method, discovery method, lecture method, or inquiry method. And the right answer is lecture method. CAI stands for options are computer analyzed instruction, computer assisted instruction, computer assisted interview, or computer analyzed interview. And the right answer is computer assisted instruction. CAI stands for computer assisted instruction. All forms of pay, allowances, or rewards going to employees in educational institution are signified as allowances, reward, bonus, compensation. And the right answer is allowances. Research is directed towards the solution of a options are problem, experiment, hypothesis, or assumption. And the right answer is problem. Research is directed towards the solution of a problem. The hypothesis, which states that there is no relationship difference between variables, is called options are inductive, deductive, null, or research. And the right answer is null. The null hypothesis states that there is no relationship difference between variables. Data gathering instrument through which respondents answer questions to statements in writing is options are observation sheet, questionnaire, interview, or discussion. And the right answer is questionnaire. Data gathering instrument through which respondents answer questions to statements in writing is called a questionnaire. The process in which the competent personnel are taken in order to achieve the goals of an organization is called options are selection, recruitment, management, or administration. And the right answer is recruitment. The process in which the competent personnel are taken in order to achieve the goals of an organization is called recruitment. In human resource management, leaders perform options are decennial roles, informal roles, informational roles, or interpersonal roles. And the right answer is interpersonal roles. In human resource management, leaders perform interpersonal roles. The focus of Bloom's technology is on options are educational evaluation, educational content, educational objectives, or educational methodology. And the right answer is educational objective. The focus of Bloom's technology is on educational objectives. The leadership grants complete freedom to the members of the organization. Options are autocratic leadership, consultative leadership, liaison leadership, or democratic leadership. And the right answer is liaison leadership. Liasis leadership grants complete freedom to the members of the organization. Curriculum is derived from the Latin word. Options are lead, run away, attain, or to walk. And the right answer is run away. Curriculum is derived from the Latin word run away. The overall purpose of a subject for teaching are referred as general objectives, learning outcomes, aims, or goals. And the right answer is goals. The overall purpose of a subject for teaching are referred as goals. All teachers are involved in curriculum implementation at the level of options are state, region, school, or classroom. And the right answer is school. All teachers are involved in curriculum implementation at the level of school. Curriculum plan should never be considered a finished product or a basic, first, fixed, or final. And the right answer is final. Curriculum plan should never be considered a finished product or a final. Micro teaching is flexible tool which is used to define options are teaching skills, curriculum, students, teaching learning environment. And the right answer is teaching skills. Micro teaching is a flexible tool which is used to refine teaching skills. The process of making judgment in classroom teaching is called. Options are budgeting, demonstration, evaluation, or documentation. And the right answer is evaluation. The process of making judgment in classroom teaching is called evaluation. Sophia means options are love, knowledge, wisdom, or value. And the right answer is wisdom. Sophia means wisdom. In what situation teacher and students share and exchange their ideas on a topic? Options are simulation, fieldwork, discussion, or case study. And the right answer is discussion. Discussion is a situation in which teacher and student share and exchange their ideas on a topic. Education refers to discover the universal principles of truth, beauty, and goodness which govern human conduct was stated by options are Socrates, Plato, John Dewey, or Aristotle. And the right answer is Plato. Education refers to discover the universal principles of truth, beauty, and goodness which govern human conduct was stated by Plato. The process of training and development people in knowledge, skill, mind, and character in a certified program is model of education, informal, formal, non-formal, or formal and informal. And the right answer is formal. The process of training and developing people in knowledge, skill, mind, and character in a certified program is model of formal education. Guidance helps the options are pupil adjustment and development, selection of vocation, reducing dropout, or reducing misbehavior. And the right answer is pupil adjustment and development. Guidance help the pupil adjustment and development. Guidance should be emphasized because it options are gives jobs to pupils, places pupils in colleges, give employment to teacher, or help peoples to help themselves? And the right answer is help peoples to help themselves. Guidance should be emphasized because it helps pupils to help themselves. In guidance, role of teacher is as options are a judge, a moralist, a helper, or a mirror. And the right answer is a helper. In guidance, role of a teacher is a helper. The first duty of counselor is options are to explain rules, to check people's discipline, to review test date, and to establish report. And the right answer is to review test date. The first duty of counselor is to review test date. Selecting appropriate course of study is a function of options are career counseling, social counseling, personal counseling, or educational counseling. And the right answer is educational counseling. Selecting appropriate course of study is a function of educational counseling. The key to successful counseling is options are establishing an effective relationship of a counselor with counselee, establishing an effective relationship of counselor with parent of counselee, establishing an effective relationship of counselor with the friend of counselee, or establishing an effective relationship of counselor with class fellows of counselee. And the right answer is establishing an effective relationship of a counselor with counselee. The key to successful counseling is to establishing an effective relationship of a counselor with counselee. The primary function of guidance is options are to forestall the occurrence of all conflicts, to help the child to resolve some of his conflicts, to resolve the conflicts of the child may have, or to adjust the severity of the conflicts the child has to face to a level from which he can profit. And the right answer is to adjust the severity of the conflicts the child has to face to a level from which he can profit. The primary function of guidance is to adjust the severity of the conflicts the child has to face to a level from which he can profit. In counseling, a student, a counselor should make it a point. Options are to establish and maintain report, to give the student a psychological interpretation of his feelings as he goes along, or to remain as impersonal as possible to so that the counselee will recognize his responsibility for solving his own problem, or to take the initiative in order to have the interview explore fruitful avenues for counseling with improvement. And the right answer is to give the student a psychological interpretation of his feeling as he goes along. In counseling, a student, a counselor should make it a point to give the student a psychological interpretation of his feeling as he goes along. In counseling, a student, a counselor should make it a point. The cumulative record includes options are achievement test, educational progress report, educational and vocational results, or all of the above. And the right answer is all of the above, as the cumulative record includes achievement test, educational progress reports, educational and vocational results. The main purpose of guidance is to make people more dependent on guidance, develop the power of self guidance, limit the guidance service to the maladjustment, or separate the guidance from educational program? And the right answer is develop the power of self-guidance. The main purpose of guidance is to develop the power of self-guidance. Most of our classroom assessment are options are criterion reference test, norm reference test, summative assessment, or formative assessment. And the right answer is formative assessment. Most of our classrooms assessments are formative assessment. The test which is taken to keep student in a particular course, program and class is known as options are diagnostic test, placement test, aptitude test or achievement test. And the right answer is aptitude test. The test which is taken to keep student in a particular course, program and class is known as aptitude test. A relatively brief statement summarizing the purpose of the school is known as options are student outcomes, mission statement, objective statement, or objective statement. And the right answer is student outcomes. A relatively brief statement summarizing the purpose of the school is known as student outcomes. The shared perceptions of the characteristics of the school and its members. Options are school culture, school climate, school environment, or school atmosphere. And the right answer is school environment. The shared perceptions of the characteristics of schools and its member is school environment. The term bureaucracy was introduced by options are Henry Fayol, Luther Guick, Frederick Taylor, or Max Weber. And the right answer is Max Weber. The term bureaucracy was introduced by Max Weber. Thank you so much for watching.